Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is a brief demonstration of a screen recording Cam Studio software that I'm going to use to prepare tutorial videos of the various options in the Vernor website. Right now I'm going to use it as a demonstration on the mapping software for the lake. So we go into Internet Explorer, click Employees, log in, and sign in here with exactly the same user ID and password that you use for the server. That will list the options which are available to you. In this case, I'm looking at tracking, lake mapping. It just pauses while it checks to see if I have any GPS device attached. And then I want to go into Mammoth Lake and bring up a picture of the Google map of the lake, which it will do in just a second when it gets its act together. I'm using a AT&T Wi-Fi hotspot, so sometimes things are a bit slow. Because I'm dependent upon the link between it and Vernor. Anyway, there's a map of the lake with all of the items displayed. You can click on any item and it'll tell you what it is, it'll tell you where it is. You can draw lines from it to other things. For example, draw a line from it. See the values go up in here, the line from, and we'll click here, click the line to, close that out, and search the map. And there's the line from ACL Mammoth to Dock 14. If I move my cursor onto it, it'll give me a bearing that I can follow. I can, let's clear that out. For some reason or other I'm still getting that line displaying. I've got to check into that. But we can search, if we search for the turtle, for example. Turtle is down here. Click on the turtle, more information. Lo and behold, there's a video. Oops, I've got some debug in there. It's annoying, but video goes to YouTube. That was my laptop telling me I had to plug it in, which I've just done. It goes to YouTube, and there's a video that I've done of the turtle. So we can get out of there, we don't need to see all that. If I go and search all the objects again, and this time display the guidelines, still drawing that one red line. I've got to get rid of that. So here's all the guidelines. You can click on any guideline. It tells you from the caboose to platform 8. You can click here to see if there are any videos, which there are. Oops, there's that annoying debug. And it'll then take you to the video of a video along that line. The idea being that it shows divers what to expect, gives them the duration of a swim at average speed, or maybe slow. I'm a bit slow. Here's a video just coming up to the platform. I'm actually following the guideline from Dock 14 to the platform. Here's the platform, and then you'll see in a minute the other two lines going off. One goes to Thumping Thunder and the other to the caboose. And then if I drag this video right towards the end, just let it catch up. I'm just coming up to the caboose, and as I said, I'm on a little bit of a slow link here. There's the caboose, and you'll see in just a second what we have here. We have a fish hook on the line, and it had a weight attached to it, so I just threw it underneath there for the time being. I'll pick it up a bit later on. So there we have that video to the caboose, and the idea is that you can hit a series of lines and get these little pop-up windows which gives you the headings, so you can work around a little loop, make a note of all the headings and put them on your wrist pad or something, so that when you're going along, you get to somewhere, if there's multiple lines, you check your heading, select the right heading. The objective here is to enable divers, because there's a poor visibility, and a lot of the buoys are broken off. There's things down there that were never buoyed. Some of the buoys are underwater. It enabled divers to get around, and I'm gradually going around putting lines in from each dock, and compositing little tours that people can do. So there you have it. That was my first little demonstration. Let's see what I got to do here. I'm going to stop the recording by clicking on there.